went through to Texas, Texas, and we had some fun. We are in Texas now, and we've been in Texas for a long time. I do not mean we went through to Texas just now. I mean we went through Texas for 20-some years. If you count that way. If we count a different way, we went through to Texas since a much younger age. Used to have and I still have, but not with me, a Texas Instruments watch, which was given to me by a friend of my father in 1981. In 1981, I was 16. A Texas Instruments watch is a symbol of innovation, of freedom, of many things, but particularly so to a 16-year-old Romanian-born child in Romania at that time. This is to say that one must perceive things in the future. To be able to do the things that we've seen in the past few instances, the cheetah, certainly Nadia, and so many other instances, Leonardo as one of the greatest greats, one must see things in the future. One must see things in the future. Perseverance is towards a goal that one adopts, and that perseverance is what drove Nadia over a period of 10 years in 8-hour-a-day increments of hard work to get her to be, in 1976, the best gymnast in the world. Perseverance and curiosity is what drove Leonardo to become one of the best, if not the best, both painters and drafting engineer that the world has ever seen. Certainly the pioneer of drafting engineer and drafting anatomy scientist. One of the things that led to our ability to be here now is our own journey through Texas. But we are coming back to Texas with a pledge to you that fundamentally one of the greatest greats that one can possibly follow when you lead a way to allow vicarious living impact your life positively is actually nature, but it's nature and history. So I invite you to come to Texas, to Padre Island National Seashore, and get these. Now, we visited Padre Island National Seashore for a number of years, but until now, I was never a junior ranger on Padre Island, and even better, a junior ranger shipwreck explorer, right? I invite you to do that, but I invite you to do that with a child. I invite you to substantially visit national parks and get junior ranger badges with a child as young as 4. We've done that, and it works relatively well. In other words, my child is now a second, third year genetics PhD, in part because of all the parks that we visited. See you tomorrow.